Yan, handa na kayo. Good luck. Sana na lang lahat kayo ay magkatrabaho. At makapasa, lalo-lalo na po, makapasa sa inyong board exam. Kaya yan ang dinadalangin namin. Ang katuwaan na lang namin ay narito na po. Ito na po mga magulang yung ating ginastos sa ating mga anak. Naipakita na nila na may kakayahan na sila lumabang at tumawa ng panibagong responsibilidad. Salamat po.
College of Nursing presents the certificate of authorization to Ms. Ruby Dimandan for having attended the seminar on issues and problems on Alzheimer's disease with the theme of the Alzheimer's journey from denial to acceptance.
Bigyan sa our control naman yung nangyari dun sa ano. But the show must go on. Una, na-appreciate ko kasi sabi ko nga I'm just a new retiree from the PNP. I'm 56 years old. At tinatanong ko sila, ako ba may Alzheimer? Parang sila meron kasi nalilimutan minsan nila na oras ng class namin. Tumalapit sila 15 minutes late. Pero hindi ka Alzheimer yun. Kasi my mother died at the age of 97, last April. Pagtungtong niya ng age ng 90, marami na yung mga nakita ko ng mga sinasabi niya ng mga palatandaan. Doon nagsimula yung makakalimutin. Every time na magpupunta ako, sabi nga, nagpapakilala mo na ako. Ako yung pinakamaganda mong anak. Ako yung gusto. At pag naliligo siya, isa lang yung sinasabi ng kapatid ko pag pinakaliguan. Darating si Poy, ako po yun, yung gusto mong anak, hindi kakahalikan. So, nagpapakaligo na siya. Nakita ko yung mga ano. Minsan may hawak na siyang, sabi nila yung napkin dun sa tindahan ng kapatid ko, kakainin na niya. So nakita namin, at saka every time talaga, nakakapagkamin talaga ako mamaya. Pag nakita niya uli ako, hindi na naman, kailangan magkamin uli ako kasi sabi niya, hindi niya alam na nakapagkamin talaga ako. Tapos yung mga ako, ang kilala niya lang talaga ay madalas siya kasama. Pero yung iba, gawin niya nasa Manila, they have to reproduce again themselves. Pero isa yung nakita kong malaking tulong yung parati ko siya pinakawala at kinikwentuhan. Kaya pag-retire ko from February talagang I make it a point na mag-stay kasi ako parati yung legal process, parati wala, kasi kulit. So yun ang ginawa ko, parati ko pinakausap. However, my father died at the age of 87. Wala po akong makita manifestation. Pero my father is a good dreamer talaga. Talagang maligaya siya pag mayroon siya akong dyaryo at parati siyang nakikinig, nakikipag-usap. Ang bagay din talaga yun, parati din nakikipag-usap. Parati kang nagbabasa. So, let's read. And thank you again sa inyo lahat.
Pagbibigay ng closing remarks para po sa ginawa namin activity. So, hindi po dahil sa kanya, hindi po makukuha ito. Thank you po.
If Nadine said she was amazed, I was very mesmerized. I never thought that this will be the output of our 2 months journey towards Alzheimer's. And I'm so proud of you, Blackpink. Equally, sa lahat po ng mga magulang, thank you so much for being with us this morning. Most probably you saw how your sons and daughters turned out to be men and women and being responsible now. I know for the fact na you've been through a lot ng kagastusan way back summer affiliation. And I believe that it is the right time for you to get back from your sons and daughters what quality education is all about. Mine is, actually, I know for the fact that sometimes you heard my name from your children. Sino ba itong Professor Quiñones na to, na terror, na yung anak ko talagang obligado mag-aral, ang dami-daming modules na binabasa, tapos ang dami-daming projects na ginagawa. My dear parents, I am Professor Quiñones. In front of you all, I know how hard it is to send your sons and daughter in a college of nursing. I am one undergraduate student, and I came from a poor family. I was always telling my students na hindi ganon kadali magpaaral ng nursing. I felt what your parents feel kasi naramdaman niya ng mga magulang ko when they sent me to Manila way back in my college days. And even during our application, meron po sa inyo nagsanla, may nangutang, may nag-5-6, para lang ipadala ang anak niyo para sa application. And I know for the fact that my dear parents do not stop. You still have 1 year semester for you to have a graduate nurse and soon to be registered nurses. This activity will not be possible, and I do hope na yung mga anak ni po hindi sa inyo humingi ng pera for this activity because this activity was planned 2 months ago. I told them to at least mag-contribute ng 5 pesos a day so that after itong activity na to, they will not ask any money from you anymore. I told them, sa araw na to, kayo ang special, kayo ang kita. Kayo ang uupo, sila mag-isip sa inyo, sila magpapakain sa inyo. My dear parents, I do hope that this will not be the last time that we're going to see each other again. I am looking forward to see you by April 2010 as your son and daughter march for their graduation. And I am also looking forward again to see you in Araneta Coliseum on August of 2010 for the oath taking as registered nurses. At sana po, we all join hands together for giving our sons and daughters the best that we can. My dear parents, take a look at your sons and daughters on the map. Your sons are no longer your sons. They turn to be a man. Your daughters are no longer your daughters. They turn to be women. Ladies and gentlemen, my dear parents, kayo po ang nasa likod ng lahat ng ito. Wala po kami, wala po silang nakitay sa inyo. You are all winners, my dear parents. Congratulations, and I'll see you on their graduation. Thank you.
Nandiyan po dumako naman po tayo sa kainan naman po. Nandiyan po lang po sa likod ninyo ang mga pagkain. Inihanda po namin para po sa inyo. Lahat po yan inihanda namin sa inyo. Kaya po, pwede po.